Hello everyone, you're watching Art Dazzled. In today's video, I'll show you how you can arrange your drawers with a very little effort and just a few materials available at your home. And by doing this, you can save yourself a lot of time and effort in the future. So without much ado, let's get started. Now, this is a drawer I would be making partitions into to organize it. And you can see it's pretty messy right now, and whenever I have to look for a thing or two, I don't know, I get lost and it wastes too much time every time I try to find something. So to organize this, considering it is 9 centimeters, somewhere around 9 centimeter high, so I have made these divisions 8 centimeter high. Accordingly, you can work out the details of the sizes as per the size of your drawer. So let's begin. Okay, so once it is all fixed and glued and everything is in place, and you're satisfied with the way it looks, you can start organizing your drawer. So I'll start doing that. Here is the stuff that I need to organize. I'll take this all out first. So guys, this is it. I really hope you liked the video and learned something valuable today. And if you want me to make something particular, something of your interest, please feel free to write that in the comment section below and I will make a video on that definitely. And also you can give any feedbacks or suggestions, or if you have any questions you can write that down too.